Hi friends! Today I will show you how to make a realistic polymer clay lemon cake. Mix translucent clay with pastel to obtain the color of the pulp. Put a thin layer of white clay with 50% transparency on the top of the resulting ball and start cutting it with a knife. This will help to create a smooth shades of yellow inside the pulp and reduce its transparency. Roll the clay into a ball again and gently beat it. Divide the resulting circle into 9 or 10 parts. Wrap each slice with a thin layer of white clay with 50% transparency. Add a second layer on the top and the bottom of the piece. If you want to make a streak more visibly, add a little more white clay. But never use only white clay to create wings, because they will look very unnatural. Connect the wrapped pieces. Connect the wrapped pieces to it up. Connect the wrapped pieces. Connect the wrapped pieces to each other as in the video and add a piece of white opaque clay to the center. Joints between pieces on the top also cover with white clay. Wrap the resulting cane with a strip of white and yellow clay. For the natural color of the crust, mix the yellow clay with white. Don't make the crust color too bright immediately, otherwise it will be difficult for you to tint it with pastel. Start squeezing the finished cane with your fingers. Make sure that all pieces are compressed evenly. Never roll citrus cane to reduce size. Roll and deform the veins. Take the cane with both hands and slowly stretch it. Scribe the lemon slice with a knife from the edge to the center to create a texture. Make a small hole in the center with a knife for realism. Coat the baked cane with thin layer of semi-matte varnish for a natural shine. Our realistic cane is ready. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like it for the voice acting of the video. Thank you for watching.